guys, welcome back. This is Krishna again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are talking on deep learning series, and in this section, means in today's section, I'm going to teach you about what is neural network. So, neural network, you can say the basic building block of deep learning. If you want to continue learning this series, then you must have to know about what is neural network, because without neural network we cannot visualize the concept of deep learning. So neural network, you can say, a basic building block to construct any kind of deep learning model. So neural network is very much important and we should know about it. So today I'm going to teach you like what is neural network in this video. So hope you guys will like this video and you will learn a lot of good stuff about deep learning for sure. Okay, folks, this is Paint application, and now I'm going to mention the definition of neural network. So it may look complicated to you, but don't worry, I will teach you in much easier way so you will not forget this, okay? So don't worry, I will give you a better example and you will definitely able to connect with this definition what I'm going to write right now on the screen. So the question is, what is neural network? So if you already watch my previous video, definitely search about like what is deep learning, neural network. Of course, a lot of term came across while searching on internet, and you got a lot of videos or audios on this or images as well. So I just would like to show you something like this you must see on the internet. Some sort of picture you must have seen on internet. I'm just drawing this just to remind you, like you already have gone through such kind of images, but maybe you would able to understand, or maybe you would able to understand, or maybe you won't be able to understand. So don't worry, today I will explain each and everything. I'm just drawing this image for you, and finally we will get one output. So such kind of picture you have definitely seen a lot of time. So this is that image which you must have gone through on the internet, okay, and you would not able to understand like what it is, right? So I would like to explain these all terminologies, okay, by the end of exam, okay, or by the end of my video. I will definitely teach you about it, so don't worry. Right now, I'm just going to mention the definition, the most annoying definition of a neural network for sure. So this is the definition. Yeah, it is looking very much complicated. Like we don't know what is a neural network for now. We don't know what kind of computation will happen there. We know about model, but we don't know what is like a node functioning in a model, and why it is mentioned like human brain that consists of, and very much thing apart from this. So I will explain you about the definition, okay? So don't worry, once I want to give you one example, that example will help you to understand like what is neural network, okay? So I'm going to draw that image. Okay, that's of course an image. I will teach you that neural network concept by the help of an image, by a story. Okay, so the story is like this. One second, let me scroll it down. Yep. So the story is like this. So let's say, so let's say we have a company. We have a company who produce candies. Okay, who produce candies. Maybe 1 lakh candy 1 lakh candies per day. 1 lakh candies per day. Per day. Okay. Now, to achieve this task, this company hire a manager. His name is, let's say, Krishna. And this manager further hire multiple employee employee to split the candies. So first, this manager train those employees. Okay. So let's create two candies. First one is, let's say this is the candies of circular shape. Okay. And it has a two feature. First one, the color is black. And there is one more candy, a square shape or rectangular shape, you can say, candy. It also has two feature. The color first, which is brown, and second one is shape. Shape is rectangle. Similarly, this circular candy shape is also circular. So these are two features. Now, so in this section, so here I'm talking about prediction part, not about the training part. Prediction part. I'm talking about prediction part, like how a model predict by using the help of a company employee, a candy company employee. Okay. So here we have two-person. Okay. In first layer, this is a layer. This is a room, you can say. This is our second room where three more peoples are there. Okay. And this is the final layer where only one person is available. Okay. So once we are getting any chocolate, let's say this chocolate. Okay. So this chocolate has two features. What are those features? So it's a structure. Okay. It's a structure. So these two-person will find out the probability of structure or shape, you can say. Structure and shape both are same. So this will say this is a rectangular in nature. Rectangular in nature, I am 70% sure. And this is saying this is circular, I am 30% sure. Now, when this data pass to next layer, okay, then in next layer, it pass to everyone. Okay. Similarly, this data pass to everyone. Okay. This layer using this data input as its output. Okay. So they are assured about the probability of their shape. So here they are detecting, these model are detect, these neurons are detecting, that rectangle probability is high. So whoever get this, like let's say this person get the data. Okay. Like a rectangle. Here we are talking about color. Okay. Here we are talking about color. So this person is looking like this is of rectangular in nature, whose probability is high, and also detecting its color is brown. Okay. And what was the probability? So it said 60%, I'm sure its color is brown. But these two are saying no, its color is uh black. Okay. And they were sure like a 30%. Similarly, he is also saying he is also saying its color is black, and I am remaining 10% sure. So when these data pass to these model, so it has all the data like this data and this data. So when this employee see the probability of a rectangle and a brown is high, it simply detect it is a brown candy. This employee, so this employee simply put that candy into brown box. And how and this way a neural network work. Basically, this is just to explain you. Okay, just keep in mind this is just to make you understand like how it is work. It work on probability, it work on weight. Okay, so this thing which you are looking, it is just to update the weight while training. Okay, so we are not talking about training, we are talking about prediction directly. Okay, so that's why I'm not talking about weight, I'm not talking about bias, everything. Okay, so I will talk about it later on once I will teach you neural network on the basis of code. Then I will tell you everything about it. So now many time you have seen this network, right? So I just want to explain the same, and that's why I took this example. Okay. So in this network, we only talking about these thing only. Like this is called node. Okay. The circular part is called node. Node. This is also node. This is also node. Okay. And this is to update the weight, which is denoted by W. I will tell you later on. There is bias also. I'm not explaining bias. Okay. So this is now a little bit clear to you. If it is not clear, don't worry. I will definitely tell you in the most accurate way, because this is just I this example just I take to explain you like how we get the output, how we get the prediction. Okay, like one candy we are passing to a model, and on the basis of probability, it is simply going to brown box. It is just to show you. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. If you have any confusion, you can simply ping me in the comment section, and I will definitely respond you back. Okay, and hope you guys will like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and share this video with your friend family if you like this, and do comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much.